Most ore samples for pilot plant operation come as blasted rock that requires crushing before it can be fed to pilot plant process. The three-stage crushing circuit can crush up to 500 mm rocks and produce below 2 mm crushed material. Representative samples from the crushed ore can be separated during crushing operation. The crushed product is fed to homogenization stockpile. Mineralogical analysis by MLA as a characterization tool is important for designing beneficiation process and evaluating beneficiation performance of minerals during the process. Important mineralogical data include, for example, modal mineralogy, liberation data of valuable minerals, mineral association data, and elemental deportment. Mineralogical data can also be used for troubleshooting if needed. Bond grinding test and Mergen grinding test are normally used for grindability measurement of ores. Mergen test is a batch test in a wet ball mill. Run the mill for estimated time to achieve the wanted particle size. Mergen test provides a grinding energy value that can be used as an estimate for the net operating grinding energy of full-scale or pilot grinding circuits. The standard bond ball mill grindability test is a locked cycle dry grinding and screening process. The aim is to achieve a 250% circulating load compared to the cut screen undersize. When this is achieved, it is possible to calculate the work index for the ore sample. After each period, sample is screened on the selected closing screen size, and the undersized material is replaced by fresh, unsegregated feed to bring the total initial weight back. For designing the continuous pilot plant process, batch test work in laboratory scale is the first step to validate the process and preliminarily determine technical parameters. In flotation test work, grinding size, reagent type and dosage, slurry pH and density, and flotation time, etc. are important parameters to be tested. The flotation test mainly contains ore grinding, slurry conditioning with addition of reagents, floating, product filtration, and drying. The dried products, concentrates and tailings, are split into small samples for chemical analysis. Pilot-scale test work, together with experiences from operating plants and laboratory tests, are most commonly used when the design parameters and operating data are acquired for process design and economical calculations. The pilot plant of GTK Mintec comprises most of the unit concentration processes, which are normally included in concentrators worldwide. The plant unit processes crushing, grinding, classification, flotation, magnetic separation, gravity concentration, heavy-medium separation, and dewatering can be realized in many alternative ways within a reasonable short time to find out the optimum combination process. Modern instrumentation connected with a process computer is used for process control and data collection. For example, online elemental and particle size analyzers. Chemical analysis, such as X-ray fluorescence spectrometry, is important in pilot plant testing for process control, which provides the data of elemental compositions of beneficiation products. Comparing to ICP analysis, XRF method is faster and more feasible for pilot plant test work, in which results are usually needed in hours, not in days. An Ultra analyzer is normally used for carbon and sulfur analysis.